Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video. We just picked up this machine. It's an old machine. It's 1951 Landis 16. Picked it up out of Pennsylvania off of Joey's Sewing Machines. It was really dirty. Had to go through. I had to clean it all up. Put a few parts on. I got parts from a gentleman, Eli, over in Southern Illinois, Landis Machine Company. He does have parts for these old machines, but. Stick around, and I'm going to do a demonstration on doing some sewing with it. All right, this is a needle and awl machine. It has an awl that punches through and a needle that comes up and it grabs the thread. So I just went through the whole machine. It was very dirty. I think the gentleman I got it from said it came out of an Amish shop. But, very intimidating when you start using this big machine. People sew through half-inch plywood with it, and they'll sew through a penny. So I just gotta go, I gotta get used to sewing with it. Gives a really nice tight stitch, like a hand stitch almost. Thanks for watching. I have more videos to come on it. Just getting it going so I get it into production. But it's been sewing pretty nice. It was a lot of had to do a lot of dialing it in, different portions of the machine in here. These are the internals of it here, and then up in here. There's a lot of fine tuning. But the gentleman Eli over in Illinois, he has a lot of knowledge on the machines, and he helped me out a lot. But thanks for watching, guys.